So now we learn about the hand wash technique. So hand wash technique we have to do in 40 to 60 seconds. So minimum you need to be 40 seconds. So it can go up to 60 seconds. Is that okay? Alright. So wherever we need to do the hand wash, so any of the procedure, you do the hand wash before arranging the articles. The first hand wash will be before arranging the articles, and the last hand wash will be at the end of each procedure. Once you completed all the procedure, you have to do the hand wash once you dismantle the articles and the hand wash. Rest everywhere the hand gel. So now we proceeding about the hand wash techniques. Okay. So the first you need to arrange the water flow steady. So for that you need to adjust the taps, the hot water and the cold water. So it shouldn't be too overflow or splashing everywhere, or it shouldn't be too low as well. And you need to check the water cold and hot as well. Yeah. So once you adjusted everything, you can start your hand wash technique. So wet your hands, apply soap, lather the soap with palm to palm, then back of the palm with the finger interfaced, vice versa, the other hands with the back of the palm with the fingers interfaced, then palm to palm with the fingers interfaced. Then you need to do the fingers and fingernails with the opposite hands with interlocked, opposite hands with interlocked. Now the thumbs in rotation motion, Then you do the fingertips with the rotation motion, fingertips with the rotation motion. Then you do the wrist with the rotation motion, both wrists. Now you need to rinse the hands in that way. So clear out the lather. So always make sure your water should be down from your elbow, not from this way. The same way the surgical hand wash we do. So we need to do in that way. So the water should be comes down from your elbow. So you do that one. Then you need to adjust close your tap with your elbow. Now you need to take 1 or 2 tissues, dry with one hand, complete that one, discard that in your black bin. Then take the another one for the another hand, complete the dry. Now my hands are dry and my hands are clean. Is that okay? Thank you.